Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Craighead, Manchester, and we are heading to see Mr. Mullins. And this Mr. Mullins now is different from the one that we did in Trelawney. This Mr. Mullins is the amputee. He's the elderly man who we normally visit from time to time. Right, so just want to make the distinction. Yes. Right, and so we are heading to see him. Trust that everyone is doing well, and we thank you always for your continued support. And we want to say thanks this morning to, while we walk, to our special donor who has made it possible for us to be visiting Mr. Mullins this morning. She's no stranger to the channel, and we refer to her as YJ. So as a result of YJ this morning, we are able to bring Mr. Mullins some groceries. So just want to big up YJ. Thank you for your continued support, and you know, we pray that the Lord will continue to bless you richly and your store basket may never be empty. Alright, so enjoy the scenery, and Marcel carrying the box. Yes, box and bag. Oh, puppies. Everyone gone.
And what do you tell us what they might eat? What do you tell us what they might eat?
I'm not sure.
Morning.
Morning. Almost reach, almost reach.
Hear him down there chat. Watch him a drink out tobacco. Where a drink?
Sit down in the doorway.
Stranger.
Mr. Mullins.
Morning, my boss. You mind I run? You mind I run, go? Yeah.
Take a time I see you. What have you tribe?
Yeah?
I can't put on up yet, man.
How are you doing so much fridge in your house?
Mr. Mullins. Good morning, how are you?
Morning, stranger.
Why you call me stranger?
Long time. You didn't say.
What did they say? What did they say?
Long time girl, me about you.
Oh.
Come make we wheel and jig. Never hear that.
Yes, man, we hear it before.
We see you already.
So how life?
I'm going to go and get the bigger man's thanks. Anybody jump in and jump in.
Yeah.
Everyone come in, we see you and look.
Yes.
And give God the glory.
All the time. What were you drinking this morning?
Get juice when I'm putting it on.
Oh, you have a fridge now?
Yes, fridges.
You have refrigerators.
And the one that
not work. Yeah, I remember that one. It never worked. Yeah.
That's my deal with that one day.
Lena?
You know there.
Oh, so you use it until they come back?
Yeah, man, everything come back.
I said you have to keep on using.
You say if they come back, that means if they don't come back, it belongs to you.
So what you want? You want them to come back?
Everyone will come back, you come back.
No.
The yard.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. How much have we done for enough to come out?
Count yourself in a number too.
35 million.
Or 55 million.
55. So
55 million.
Yeah.
So you take off 20 off a hit, so you must see so you come back.
They're in a different country.
But the 55 million are not Jamaicans, you know? Jamaica we live here. Jamaica would have sink long time.
You know, so much money they Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, go on, yeah, keep current, man.
And when me have to do an army, you know, And when you come here, make a company.
So, how you mean? And then how the fridge come here? You want to come here? The fridge come here on it one? So much somebody can come?
You can't chat. I won't play me chat.
No, you. Yeah, so only when we come here, you have company. So I'm the other people who carry.
And then the power up and over, so me see you so chatting up.
Because you never know him at the time, really. So you just pass each other.
But now we are going to do him good.
I know you find out so you can chat.
Hey, chatterbox.
A parakeet.
Parakeet, parrot. Parrot.
Chatting parrot.
Oh wow! So Mr. Mullins, we carry grocery to you this morning,
God,
and it's coming from YG. She always send you grocery. So most times when we come, the groceries that we bring is from her.
Okay.
Right?
God be praised.
Yeah, man, tell her, big her up and tell her thanks.
One love, one love, one love. Thank you. Tell me see you.
Yes. Overseas she did do.
Then you
She's
can
in
come.
England, so when she come,
Then you can come to Jamaica.
yeah man, she can come.
Hey, when you come to Jamaica, I want to see you.
You want to see her, alright.
Because me see you now. Oh, then me know that I greet him.
Of course.
I look at his out of Cairo. Put on weight. Then you know see how we have put on weight.
You have lime pantry?
I penny left back. Because they might pick it.
Oh, some small one did it?
And noon, me see.
No.
Noon, it is a drop off.
Yeah.
No drop off a tree.
So you cut see that tree?
I saw man, go cut it back.
Then you're one.
After me.
But them all cut it up for you?
Saturday, I will pack up a place.
Oh, them,
That's all? Only that?
oh, that's what we passed at the roadside a while ago. Oh, it was a small tree.
You know, extra big say on the tall.
Oh. So you couldn't wait for it?
No man, we know any crowd up here so.
Oh.
That's every breeze.
Light up now.
When the breeze a blow and the limb them dry, the leaf full up in my yard.
Yeah.
I mean, not like when me place keep untidy. Nobody come must can't see it. Little light. By bicycle.
You don't have to worry yourself because we want to come here.
Say you want?
Now we want to come here.
Oh yes.
Then you just said that?
Enough time me church people them come.
Oh, church people them come too.
The man and me a visit.
Okay,
And
okay.
then a busy.
So, Mr. Mullins, in this box we have your rice, flour, sugar. We bring your eggs,
Now what you
milk,
say?
We not cannot
bread,
take time,
biscuit.
You can hug.
No, we bring your mixed parts.
Could you
And
let
you have fridge so you can put it in
Yeah
there.
man, I'm a killer hug.
You have tire bush.
The man, you mind bad man?
It's good.
Kill every care hug.
No more Trenton.
Every care hug man.
You have to balance out to carry Trenton come one time already or two times, right?
You don't put your knife back say no too. You put your knife back say no.
I say you love pork? I say you love pork?
Oh yes, yes.
So your foot stay now.
You put that right man.
Oh, come on, pretty man.
Put that right man. Waiting when me about 19 shot a Chinese.
Make it shine. Better.
Yeah man.
You walk funny?
The boss.
You nail them.
Me jump on it.
You nail them look like them.
You want to cut but the nail clip can't cut them.
Nail clip can't cut it?
Sharp something.
I'm a sharp or something.
Nail clip too little feet.
Can't manage it.
You have to be careful how you cut them, you know.
Yeah man, and then we go back to Mandeville.
They cut them for you.
Then we go back to doctor.
Yeah. When last you go doctor?
Last month.
July.
So your doctor say?
He said not to give me medication.
Oh, so
That's all him to give you medication and I talk to you?
So now give me medication. I tell me what to use.
You have to sound him on your phone. So they buy your food.
I time I see him. Enough time I sit there and I'll pan TV.
Alright, Mr. Mullins.
Yes,
I'll leave you now.
My bicycle.
Which bicycle now?
Nobody make it before you left.
What you say?
Well, I've to promise over.
But me never promised you one bicycle.
How you live,
You
man?
can ride bicycle?
Yeah, you know what that. But you didn't don't talk already.
Who did that talk?
What you say?
Bicycle.
What you say about the bicycle, Mr. Mullins?
The tricycle.
Eh?
Tricycle you want?
When he said the one with the
Oh, we don't
You
get
talk about wheelchair with the engine. Battery one.
that we did talk about. You had asked for help, but we no one has reached out as yet.
you don't get it.
Yes.
You know that
But you
man-
know, once if we did get it, we'd have bring it.
And that's
Oh.
why here.
We're not getting on here. I live on the road.
A road.
So you go up so.
Let me go up to church, me I go. Church, me I live.
Church where they live. Okay.
Or did I just carry to a taxi?
You know, church and me lines.
But he couldn't go up that steep hill all the way to church. Which part of church? There up at the
No man, you have to go to go in a taxi.
No man, when you go to road, you go in a taxi.
you go right to this road here, and taxi come in your lane.
Yeah, all the way.
Okay.
All the way, then taxi don't come right there. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, well they can come.
Yeah, man. If you didn't come, you can see now you see one van. The park is one night time.
Okay, okay.
And the people them bottom side me.
Yeah.
Then park at your gate.
Yeah, man, them park it down. Sometimes them park your place, sometimes them park it down.
Alright, Mr. Mullins, we come and see you and you doing well.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to see you not too.
Yes.
I say sometimes me bring your phone.
Yes,
If I
man.
bring the device. If I bring the device.
Yeah.
You like to go and good, Mr. Mullins?
Yeah, man.
Bright up the place same way.
Yeah, man, night time.
Yeah.
Night time, yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah. Sir, well.
Night time, yeah, I'm alright.
Martin.
Night time, yeah, I'm alright.
Okay,
Carry
okay.
you know, carry no money in my back, you know.
Money?
Money make me get up, you know.
No, okay. Alright, yes, we have something for you. We were waiting until we end the video to do that part, but since you asked,
Okay.
so YJ, the same person who sent the groceries for you, she has sent you some money,
Okay, God be praised.
right? So,
Tell him God bless him.
yeah, she sent you $2,000,
God bless him, man.
right? So, we give you,
God bless him, man. God bless him.
yes.
You want to know?
You want to know your answer?
I know me you care for.
Yes.
I know me you care for.
If you want to know, I wait till ready for going.
You tell you ready.
We don't,
You get money.
Yeah, they so like you're going to spend it right now. Which party shop there, so?
You shop out there, so.
Yeah, you're not go out there.
So me not go there, me pass it.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm going to me wheelchair. Not strong enough like a post time.
that's why I don't reach out there.
Hey, maybe you that comes to me out there.
No, go so.
So nothing no go so. Ready to go right up. You go up on Likkle hill.
Up a Percy there, so?
Before you catch a Percy, don't in the level there.
Oh.
Ready to go right there, so. And you turn go up a one shop there.
You take your long door, don't you?
Take me to that time, no matter me now walk.
That's the shop.
We say you'll come back at your job.
Me now walk.
Then I've got this video
That's how, sometimes anytime drive me, take the machine.
and chop some grass.
The man go down in a banana there, so go trim to banana bush. You still have to give thanks.
Yeah.
It's small mercy.
Alright guys, so there you have it. You know, want to say once again big thank you to YJ. Thank you for your continued support, and we pray that your your store basket may never be empty. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
God bless.